Preston Studios has created a number of important commissioned installations over the past 30 years, including 5 pieces for the chapel at Give Kids the World in Kissimmee, Florida. This non-denominational chapel serves an institution for terminally ill children established by Henry Landworth, a survivor of Auschwitz who made a fortune in the hotel industry. 4 of the windows depict the 4 seasons, each married to a universal theme: summer with love, winter with peace, spring with hope, and fall with faith. In 2003, when Cindy Perry commissioned Preston Studios to create 5 works for the MD Anderson Cancer Clinic in downtown Orlando, Florida. These works were mounted in light boxes so that 24 hours a day, the room has the same ambiance. The largest work, 3 foot by over 5 foot in height, has the theme of peace. While the first panel in the series has the theme of hope, with spring flowers of crocus and tulips at the bottom. The 4th panel in the series includes the healing plants of poppy, echinacea, digitalis, and others. The second chapel installation by Preston Studios for the Flagler Memorial Hospital complex right next to I-95 was for a hospice house with 2 large sets of windows, including a lightbox portrayal of the pathway to heaven. For Holy Trinity Episcopal Church in Melbourne, Florida, Preston Studios created over 20 pieces, including 6 door panels, each with an individual sponsor who selected their favorite flowers. This project took some 3 years and was accomplished as the finances for each part were arranged by the church. The studio was able to meet the challenge of consistency throughout, a difficult process which included matching the painted and fired borders to older windows already mounted in the nave of the church. The original concept was to have 14 of the windows relate as a single installation of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. This changed, however, when the last window was commissioned, and the creatures portrayed became related to Noah and the ark. Preston Studios is noted for its attention to details, such as this frog standing on a bromeliad leaf. Room where brides make their final preparations before walking to the altar, issues of love are portrayed, with nesting birds and courting birds in abundance. More can be seen on the website of Preston Studios, but whether it be deer, daffodils, or rabbits, Preston Studios is noted as a studio dedicated to nature.